In this video, we are going to see how we can enable the speed limits or enable the speedometer in Google Maps so that you can easily check the speed limit in any particular street on Google Maps. So here's how you can do it. First of all, just click on the top right hand corner for the settings. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on settings. And here you can see on the second we have the navigation. The placing might be different, but the area is navigation. And if we scroll down here, scroll all the way down to the bottom, under the speedometer it is enabled. But just keep in mind that if you want to enable the speed limits, it will only work in the US versions of Google Maps and not all the Google Maps version that is globally available. But if you just generally want to get the speed of your car whenever you're driving and you can see it on the front of the Google Maps, here's how you can enable that speedometer in Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.